Hello, my name is Rita Grayson, and I am the founder of SageSource Learning Center, home of the body-brain approach to sand tray play therapy. Welcome to my playroom. You may be watching this video because you've heard of sand tray play therapy and are wondering what it's all about. Or you may be a mental health professional familiar with sand tray, but curious about the body-brain approach or considering attending a training. First, let me introduce sand tray play therapy to those of you who might be hearing about this form of therapy for the first time. As you can see behind me, I have hundreds and hundreds of miniature figures, and in front of me I have a sand tray. These figures are used to create what we call a world in the tray. When we use sand tray, we drop into a creative experience that loosens the hold we have on our known narratives of our lives, our problems, our challenges, and opens the door to new possibilities of seeing our lived experiences with a more expanded view. You might be wondering what happens in a sand tray play therapy session. First, you would choose a sand tray to work in, and next you would go to the shelves to select the figures that will be in your world. Now here, you are allowing your felt sense of what needs to be in your world guide the selection process. Then you will create your world by placing the figures anywhere that feels just right to you at the time. And you do all of this in the watchful presence of a trained sand tray play therapist. Once your world is created, you and your therapist will have the opportunity to deeply experience it and possibly explore it together. Sand tray play therapy opens the possibility of bringing life experiences which may have been confusing or problematic into conscious awareness, where they can be worked with in whatever way best serves you. Now you will notice that I keep using the term sand tray play therapy, and I want to take this opportunity to emphasize that this therapeutic technique is not just for children. Sand tray play therapy has been used effectively with children, adults, and adolescents for almost 100 years. We adults particularly can get stuck in the way that we see our lives and our challenges. The sand tray allows us to access different, more creative pathways that can help us get unstuck. So what is the body-brain approach to sand tray play therapy? Essentially, it is approaching this therapy with a deep understanding and respect for what's going on inside the brain. The new experiences that are available in the sand tray can actually create new neural firings that can help us get unstuck from old repetitive patterns. Therapists who have studied the body-brain approach to sand tray play therapy have a deep knowledge of interpersonal neurobiology and an understanding of how we can, in relationship with each other, heal painful past experiences, even those for which we may have no explicit memories or words. I hope you enjoy exploring this website, and if you're considering the body-brain approach to sand tray play therapy for yourself or perhaps for your child, you can look up therapists trained in this approach by clicking on the Find button below. If you're a mental health professional and want information about the trainings or the certification process, there's plenty of information there when you click on the Become button. Thanks for visiting, and I hope you have the opportunity to play in the sand soon.